All right, let me read these Dragon Ball Z jokes. It's only one page here, so let me see if they're any good. They're only read the first one. They're kind of cringe, which I like. So let's see what goes on here. I'm not gonna say it out loud because you got to do it the right tone, the right connection, the right timing. It's just off there. So I'm just gonna scroll down when I'm reading right here, and then let you know what I'm thinking. Okay, I've heard that before. Ugh. I'm rolling my eyes at that one. That's not funny. It's just like not a good joke. Not a good joke, and being offensive is different. You know what? It wasn't done well. I'll put it that way. How many super things does it take to change a light bulb? Just one. I heard that fucking like decades ago. How old is this shit? Oh damn. Lame. I'll scroll over it so you know what I'm reading. Rolling eyes, whatever. Okay. That one's kind of funny. That was kind of good. Stale ass old joke. Whatever. Say that about any anime. Whatever. Whatever. I guess that's punny. Whatever. It's so stupid. Here's some from Reddit. I'll scroll over what I'm reading. Okay. Instead of Enron, Shenron. Whatever. Okay. So that already. Whatever. Okay. Alright. Another freezer joke. Okay. Decade old staleness. Read that one already. Yeah, I get the joke. A Videl. Ugh. Moving on. Okay. Moving on. Still old. Old as this shit? Good. Yeah, it's pretty good. I've heard that for years. I didn't laugh then, I'm not laughing now. Ugh. Ugh. That one's cringe, but I'm not laughing. So at least it's got a good reaction out of me. Mm-hmm. Moving on. Super, yeah, right. Ugh. I'm wasting my fucking time.